Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to automatically delete emails in Gmail. If you want to keep your inbox clean by automatically removing certain messages, we will guide you step by step on how to set up filters to delete emails automatically. Let's get started. On your Gmail dashboard, go to the search bar at the top. Click on the search options icon to open the filter settings. We just need to click on it. From here, we can set up a filter to automatically delete emails. For example, we can filter out emails from Facebook. We can also filter by keywords. For example, if you keep getting spam money-related emails. Fill in the details based on what you want to filter. For this example, we will use Facebook, since we do not want those emails in our inbox. Once you enter Facebook as the sender, click Create Filter. Then select the option to delete it so that all Facebook emails are removed automatically. Once the filter is created, all Facebook emails will be moved to your Gmail trash. Anytime you receive them, those emails will go straight to your trash. And that's it. You have successfully set up automatic email deletion in Gmail. Your inbox will now stay organized without having to delete messages manually.